Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the second part of my previous video in which I have shown 3 free AI tools to make faceless YouTube channel and earn money using AI tools. So this is the second part and we will head over to the fourth tool. You have seen a lot of videos in different languages. You can do same by using Dubverse AI. So let's head over to Dubverse AI. Just search for it and enter this first website. Get started for free and continue with your Google account, and here just click on get dubbing, and you can upload the link of any YouTube video or you can upload your own video. I have this one, I am uploading this video. Just click on next, and here you need to select your language in which you are converting your video. So you can select any. I am selecting Bangladesh, so I am converting in Bengali, and by clicking the play you can hear that voice. And after you are satisfied with the voice, just click on plus and let's dub, and your video is being processed. So within few seconds you can see your video is ready, and here you can see it automatically adds subtitles and create realistic voiceovers.
আমরা যদি আবার বড় প্রশ্নগুলিতে যাই, আপনি বলেছিলেন যে আপনি আইনস্টাইনের সাথে আছেন, আপনি বিশ্বাস করেন? স্পিনোজা.
And this is a Bengali Elon Musk, and as a YouTubers we all know how it feels in voiceovers when there is background noise, and we can remove it by using Adobe Podcast. Just search for Adobe Podcast. Enter this first website, go to enhance speech and click on sign up with your Google account and choose your file here. And I have this voice and I am selecting this one, and within few seconds your voice will be ready. So as you can see now, you can listen this.
Here's how you can make up to $200 every single night on autopilot. Go to n-dash.com. They pay up to $450 to write articles, and we can automate it. Click sign up for free. Go to ChatGPT.
As you hear that this sound has no noise. So the sixth tool, last but not the least, search for Wisecut video and enter this first website. Get started for free and create your account, create new project and add your media. So here you need to add your video. After selecting the video, just click on upload files and it will take few seconds to upload your video. And here you just need to name your project. And below is all the functions that this tool is going to do for your video, and just you need to select your language here. My video language is English. Just click on English and create project, and you can see your video is ready, and it shows you what it has done, that it has removed how many seconds, jumps, lines, subtitles, and all these things it has done within seconds. So just you can edit them also by clicking edit project, and here you can also edit your subtitles, your unnecessary pauses or your jumps. You can edit them all. To export this video, just click on preview and export and click on export video, and finally your video will be exported to your device. And that's all from today. I hope you like this video, and now you are going to create your own faceless channel and earn thousands of dollars. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on earning using AI and AI tools, life hacks and many more.